Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today, we're about to embark on an exciting journey to create 30 motivational shorts in just 60 minutes. We'll utilize innovative tools like ChatGPT, 11 Labs, Midjourney, and VN Video Editor. Stay tuned as we dive into the first step, script writing using ChatGPT.
Firstly, we'll start with ChatGPT for script writing. It's a powerful tool that uses advanced artificial intelligence to generate creative and engaging content. Imagine having a virtual assistant that crafts scripts for you, scripts that resonate with your audience and motivate them to take action. Here's a tip. Start with a clear goal for your script, whether it's to inspire, educate, or entertain. Then, feed this into ChatGPT and watch as it generates content tailored to your needs. For example, if you're creating a motivational short, you might input, inspire people to believe in their dreams. ChatGPT will then generate a script that does just that. Now that we have our script, the next step is voiceover using 11 Labs. Moving on to 11 Labs, our tool for voiceover. 11 Labs is a game changer in the world of content creation, enabling us to produce clear, crisp voiceovers quickly and efficiently. Here's how to use it. First, upload your script. 11 Labs will then generate a voiceover in the style and tone of your choosing. Remember, the quality of your voiceover can significantly impact the effectiveness of your communication. So, take your time to experiment with different tones and speeds until you find the perfect fit for your content. With 11 Labs, you're not just creating a voiceover, you're crafting an auditory experience for your viewers. With our voiceover ready, it's time to gather some images from Midjourney. Images are key to our motivational shorts, and that's where Midjourney comes in. This platform is a treasure trove of visually stunning and meaningful images. Remember, the images we select should not just be high quality, but also relevant to our message. Think of each image as a frame in the narrative of our motivational short. The right image can speak volumes, stirring emotions and driving home our point. Now that we have our images, it's time to bring it all together with VN Video Editor. Finally, we're at the last step, editing our motivational shorts using VN Video Editor. This fantastic tool allows us to merge our script, voiceover, and images into a cohesive masterpiece. The key here is to ensure smooth transitions so the viewer's attention never wavers. Remember to adjust the timings to match the pace of your script and voiceover. Now, don't forget the subtitles. They're not just for those who can't hear the audio, but also for those who prefer to read along. It enhances comprehension and expands your audience. With a sprinkle of patience and a dash of creativity, VN Video Editor can help you craft a compelling motivational short. And there you have it. Your motivational short is ready. This is part 1. In the second part, we'll learn on which platform we can upload it and make money. Aim for 20 likes. Thanks for watching.